Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and welcome back to the channel where we break down the tools that actually make your workshop life easier. Today, we're diving into something that might not look like much at first glance, but don't let its size fool you. I'm talking about the RUITOL Shelf Pin Jig, a compact yet powerful little tool designed to take the guesswork out of one of the most repetitive but critical steps in cabinetry and shelving projects. Priced at $42, it's not the flashiest addition to your toolbox, but it promises precision, speed, and consistency, three things every woodworker, from weekend warriors to seasoned pros, can appreciate. If you've ever spent more time measuring, marking, and double-checking hole placement than actually building, then this tool might be exactly what you've been overlooking. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how it's performed across several real builds, the nuances of its design, and whether it truly delivers on its bold promises. Let's get into it. Let me tell you, if you've ever struggled with getting perfectly aligned shelf pin holes, this RUITOL Shelf Pin Jig is a game changer. I picked it up recently for a cabinet project I've been tinkering with, and honestly, it's one of those tools you didn't know you needed until you use it, and then you wonder how you ever worked without it. One of the first things I noticed is how solid this thing feels in your hands. It's all metal, no cheap plastic components, so it's got that industrial heft that gives you confidence. The 11-hole guide means you can set multiple holes quickly without repositioning over and over, and the self-clamping feature is brilliant. It grips your workpiece tightly, and once it's locked in, it doesn't budge. I've used other jigs before that shift slightly during drilling, throwing off the whole alignment, but not this one. It stays put, delivers straight, evenly spaced holes every time, and that kind of repeatability is gold when you're building cabinetry or shelving units where precision matters. What really impresses me is the flexibility it offers with hole spacing and bit size. It comes with both a 1/4 inch and 5 mm drill bits, which is fantastic because depending on where you're sourcing your shelf pins, you might run into either size. I've had projects where I needed to match existing hardware, and having both options right there, no extra shopping or waiting, saved me time. The adjustable spacing feature is also a big win. Whether you're working on wide base cabinets or narrow bookshelves, you can tweak the distance between holes to match your design. I used it recently on a medicine cabinet, and the spacing was spot on. The holes lined up perfectly, and the pins slid in snugly with zero wiggle room. That kind of accuracy gives your furniture a pro-level finish, and it's satisfying when everything fits together cleanly without sanding or forcing parts into place. Now let's talk real-world use. I've taken this jig on more than one project since getting it cabinets, wall shelves, even a custom wardrobe interior, and it's performed flawlessly each time. The clamping mechanism works on a variety of board thicknesses, and I love that it's self-contained. There's no need for clamps or extra tools to hold it down, which streamlines the whole process. It's also compact, which is great for working in tighter spaces or when you're on a job site with limited room. That said, I did run into one situation where the narrow width of a board made it tricky to use as intended. I was working on a small cabinet side panel, and the jig just wouldn't clamp properly because there wasn't enough surface area. I had to get creative, used a temporary backing board to stabilize it, and eventually got the holes where I needed. So, while it's incredibly versatile, it does have its limits with ultra-slim stock. That's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something to keep in mind, especially if you often work with smaller or narrower pieces. One thing I want to mention, because it came up in my own experience, is the issue of tear out, especially when drilling into plywood. The included bits do the job, but they can leave a bit of splintering on the surface, particularly on lower grade plywood or veneered boards. I noticed this on my first few holes, and it was a little frustrating because I pride myself on clean, professional results. That said, I quickly figured out a workaround. I pinned a thin scrap of MDF over the drilling area before using the jig. That tiny addition made a huge difference. The exit holes were clean, and the surface remained intact. You could also try using a brad point bit instead of the ones provided, though I haven't tested that yet. Either way, this isn't a flaw in the jig itself, it's more about material behavior and bit selection. The jig is just the guide. The outcome still depends a bit on how you manage the cut. So consider it a pro tip. Protect your surface, and you'll get flawless results every time. The build quality here is seriously impressive. This thing feels like it's built to last, metal gears, sturdy guides, no wobble in the alignment. It reminds me of high-end brands like Woodpeckers, but at a fraction of the price. At $42, it's not the cheapest option out there, but you're paying for precision and durability, and it's worth every penny. It even comes with a nice storage bag, which I appreciate. Too many times, small tools like this get lost in the shop, but this bag keeps everything together, the jig, both bits, and the little Allen key. I've already recommended it to a couple of fellow woodworkers, and one of them bought it just based on what I said. That's how confident I am in this tool. It's replaced an old plexiglass jig I'd been using for years, and the difference in stability and accuracy is night and day. In summary, if you're into cabinetry, shelving, or any kind of woodworking that requires precise, repeatable hole drilling, the RUITOL Shelf Pin Jig is a no-brainer. It delivers accuracy, durability, and ease of use, all the things you want in a tool like this. Yes, there are small considerations like tear out with certain materials or the need for adjustments on narrow boards, but those are minor compared to the overall performance. It's fast, reliable, and makes the workflow so much smoother. I've used it on multiple occasions now, and every time, it's made the job easier and the result more professional. Whether you're a hobbyist building your first bookshelf or a pro knocking out custom cabinets, this little jig will earn its place in your toolkit fast. I'm really glad I got it. And if you're on the fence, my advice? Just go for it. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If your workshop's missing that perfect alignment, it's time to level up. Like this video if you're tired of crooked shelves, and subscribe to stay ahead of the game, because precision tools like the RUITOL Shelf Pin Jig are just the beginning. Let's build smarter, one flawless hole at a time.